Which pharaoh was dubbed the Black Stone Sorcerer for his remarkable foresight? Today, let's delve into the enigmatic realm of ancient Egypt and explore the intriguing figure of Pharaoh Amnhotep III, often referred to as the Black Stone Sorcerer. This pharaoh gained renown for his seemingly supernatural ability to forecast future events with remarkable precision. His predictions, believed to have been derived from a variety of methods including visions and dreams, reportedly guided his decisions in matters of both politics and warfare. Despite the elusive details surrounding his life and reign, Pharaoh Amnhotep III's impact on Egypt during his era was undeniable, fostering stability and prosperity. Subscribe our channel and follow us for regular updates and exclusive content.